My name is Ivan, and right now you are seeing my digital clone recording this video for you while I work. Here are the hottest news from the world of AI and cryptocurrencies. All information has been personally verified by me. Let's get started. First off, you've probably heard a lot of noise about ETFs lately. A Bitcoin ETF is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the changes in cryptocurrency prices. By purchasing its shares, investors can profit from Bitcoin price movements without the complexities associated with direct digital asset investments. For example, market participants don't need to worry about organizing secure storage for cryptocurrency. Now let's move on to the news. Blackrock is investing $2 billion in a Bitcoin ETF. The world's largest asset manager, Blackrock, has raised $2 billion in capital prior to the launch of their Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, also known as an ETF. This information was provided by Matthew Siegel, the head of digital asset research at VanEck. VanEck is one of the asset managers that has applied to the US Securities and Exchange Commission to launch a Bitcoin ETF. However, Matthew added, "I cannot guarantee that. But you know, that's how it goes. You just make phone calls and try to find people who can write checks for these products." Commenting on BlackRock's $2 billion raised to launch its Bitcoin ETF, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas stated on X, "This would be in line with BlackRock. They gather and invest large sums in new ETFs on the first day of trading to reflect volume." The analyst then highlighted that BlackRock dominates the top 10 among the 25 most successful ETF launches of all time. Additionally, the analyst emphasized, "I found a second source that confirmed Matt's statement that they had large sums ready for the first day. If you would like me to create a video providing a simple explanation for beginners on what a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, is and how to profit from it, please let me know in the comments." 3 times more places accept Bitcoin. According to the Bitcoin BTC map, the number of institutions worldwide accepting Bitcoin tripled from 2207 last year to 6126 in 2023. This means that by the end of 2023, the number of restaurants, bars, shops, and services accepting digital assets reached 6,126 compared to 2,207 at the beginning of the year. The map shows a greater concentration of BTC accepting sellers in Central and South America and fewer in Africa and Asia. The US and Europe also have a higher number of cryptocurrency accepting businesses. According to the map, the Philippines had the most such places in Southeast Asia, while there were almost none in China, India, and Russia. I have already released a video that provides a detailed demonstration, complete with examples of how and where you can purchase various items using Bitcoin. This includes everything from small trinkets on Amazon to your very own private island. Additionally, the video highlights the associated costs of these purchases. The link to the video can be found in the description. This development is highly positive for the entire community and serves as further evidence that cryptocurrency is gaining global recognition. Consequently, now is an opportune moment for beginners to commence their learning journey in this field. Initial results of launching a Bitcoin ETF. The crypto asset market welcomed spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US with growth. On the day of trading launch, January 11, 2024, Bitcoin approached $49,000 before going into correction. According to Bloomberg data, trading volume for spot Bitcoin ETFs reached $4.6 billion on the first day. The iShares Bitcoin Trust from BlackRock showed the best performance, accounting for 22% of total trading volume on January 11, 2024. In total, market participants conducted about 700,000 transactions with the new instrument on the first trading day. Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas observed that the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETF trading in the US prompted investors to reallocate their assets. Trading with these new instruments enables cost savings on commissions. Balchunas' observation was corroborated by his colleague Bloomberg analyst James Seifert. This reallocation of capital includes shifting investments from Bitcoin futures ETFs, which were introduced to the US market as early as 2021. Investment manager Timothy Peterson of Kane Macro has estimated that the demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US on the initial day necessitates the redemption of around 47,000 Bitcoins, equivalent to approximately $2 billion. In general, the market has responded favorably, with the world's largest fund investing $2 billion, making this development quite intriguing for crypto investors worldwide. Over a span of 3 years, crypto projects have distributed more than $26 billion of free tokens to users. An airdrop is a token distribution that is a marketing campaign where market participants can receive free cryptocurrency. This is done for 2 purposes. Firstly, to build an audience. This is how project developers launch the cryptocurrency into circulation. Secondly, it's an easier way to attract investors' attention to the project. In the end, it's a fantastic way to make a loud statement about the project and attract investor attention through discussion. From 2020 to 2023, during the largest cryptocurrency airdrops, decentralized finance or DeFi projects distributed tokens to users amounting to $26 billion. The largest airdrop of 2023 was the token distribution by Arbitrum. On March 23rd, the project team transferred RB tokens worth nearly $2 billion to the participants' wallets. In second place was the Celestia platform. At the end of October, the project distributed TIA tokens amounting to $730 million. In third place was the Blur airdrop, during which Blur tokens worth $450 million were distributed in February. The most substantial airdrop in the history of DeFi was carried out by the decentralized exchange Uniswap. On September 16, 2020, the project distributed a total of 6,400 million UNI tokens. Notably, it was this event that sparked enthusiasm within the crypto community regarding the distribution of free tokens. Regarding future distributions, the DeFi aggregator Jupiter has previously announced plans to conduct an airdrop. It is reported that the token distribution will begin in this January. During the event, the team plans to distribute 10 billion JUP tokens among users. Write in the comments if you need a video on how to make money from airdrops in 2024. Investors believe in crypto. According to CoinShares analysts, the first week of 2024 saw an inflow of $151 million into crypto funds. Regionally, the majority of activity was in the United States, which received 55% of the total investment. Germany and Switzerland accounted for 21% and 17%, respectively. Bitcoin traditionally led in terms of attracted investments. Products oriented towards the first cryptocurrency received $113 million. The inflow of funds into Ethereum-based products amounted to 29 million. Over the past 9 weeks, the indicator reached 215 million, signaling a shift in sentiment towards the second cryptocurrency in a positive direction. After a successful 2023, Solana started the year with a downturn. More than $5 million were withdrawn from crypto funds for this coin. The most successful altcoin was Cardano, with an inflow of 3.7 million. Next came Avalanche and Litecoin, into which 2 million and 1.4 million were respectively invested. What will we be holding in 2024? Renowned cryptocurrency commentator Coin Bureau conducted a survey revealing that one specific cryptocurrency is currently gaining significant popularity. It proposed a question to his followers about which coin they would be holding. The 4 options provided were SEI, AVAX, SUI, and NEAR. Let me remind you that holding is a strategy of retaining cryptocurrency tokens regardless of market fluctuations. In other words, people were answering the question which coin they would hold onto for as long as possible without selling. AVAX emerged as the poll leader, garnering significant support with 43.1% of the votes, outpacing the second option SEI by approximately 15.6%. As a reminder, the price of AVAX began to rise after hitting a low of $8.65 in October. Over 63 days, it soared by 425%, reaching a new annual high at $46.40, but it is still significantly below the peak value of $144.96 achieved in November 2021. I'm also very interested in the subscribers' opinions. Please comment on which coin you believe in the most for the year 2024. Crypto chooses the US president. Representatives of the American cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase have revealed that, along with some other companies, they have donated funds to support candidates friendly to cryptocurrencies. For the year 2024, the trading platform has managed to raise $78 million for an initiative called Fair Shake. This is stated in the official Coinbase blog. As mentioned in the post, the future of digital assets in the United States depends on the election of those candidates whose policies support fair rules for the crypto industry. In particular, Coinbase emphasized the need for regulatory scrutiny, which should not adhere to the regulation through enforcement approach. Fair Shake is registered with the Federal Election Commission and is aimed at assisting candidates who are positively inclined towards cryptocurrencies. According to representatives of the crypto exchange, the campaign aids them independently. In addition to Coinbase, the committee also includes Andreessen Horowitz, Arc Circle, and others. Will Bitcoin continue to grow in 2024? Let's take a brief overview of expert opinions on this matter. Many see the potential for further growth of Bitcoin. For instance, the Bitcoin forecast of entrepreneur and host of the financial program, Kaiser Report Max. Kaiser does not rule out the coin's growth to $50,000 in the near future. A trader under the nickname CryptoNB1 shares a similar view. His Bitcoin forecast implies Bitcoin's growth to $50,000 in the near future, followed by a correction with a subsequent transition into a new wave of growth. Some members of the crypto community see the potential for Bitcoin to solidify above 50,000 without subsequent correction. For instance, trader Tardigrade believes that Bitcoin could reach 55,000. His forecast with a probable Bitcoin flat trend in the near future was also supported by trader Mags. On the other hand, the negative Bitcoin forecast was supported by trader Dr. Profit. He believes that the market is on the verge of a major correction following the realized growth. At the same time, he does not rule out the possibility of a flat trend for several weeks before the fall. However, the market situation at the beginning of 2024 differs from that of previous cycles. This time, Bitcoin may avoid the traditional correction before the halving thanks to investor interest in spot ETFs on Bitcoin. Many people believe that with the long-awaited launch of spot Bitcoin ETF trading, investors may shift their focus to altcoins. I am preparing a separate video on how to navigate the crypto market if you're a complete beginner, as well as about the basic concepts in the crypto industry. That's all for today. Post your questions in the comments. See you in the next videos.